If I only had 30 minutes a day to grow my business, I wouldn't open ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. I'd open Perplexity Computer. Most AI tools rely on one model. Computer taps into 19 and spins up multiple AI agents that work in parallel. Sounds complex, right? Well, it's not. Watch this. In the same window, one agent is updating my Wix blog, another is researching the web, and another is grabbing screenshots and inserting internal links into it so it's optimized for SEO. Pretty incredible, right? And if one agent gets stuck, Computer launches another one to solve it. In a second, I'll give you 7 plug-and-play use cases and free prompts to scale towards 6 to 7 figures, because the way that you use AI just changed again. If you're on my now 80,000 strong email list, or maybe you've read my book, The Wolf is at the Door, or downloaded my free 40 Wild Ways to Use AI guide from the link below, you know my goal is simple. Turn AI rookies into future makers. So let's start with something simple, content creation. Here's what you're going to do. Go to Perplexity and select Computer mode. Then give it one job. Be your daily content team. This prompt is going to tell Computer to scan your niche across Reddit, YouTube, X, and newsletters. Find what's trending and turn it into a complete content pack. Short form scripts, blog posts, and social content organized into a single document in your brand voice. But it gets even better because you can then schedule it to run weekly and send the output to your VA. So you're not re-prompting every time. Screenshot this exact prompt or grab it from the link below. All right, now that your ideas are handled, let's kill the silent killer of solopreneurs, tab hell. But we're going to do it in a way that others aren't talking about right now. On a busy week, your browser can become a graveyard of half-finished tasks, am I right? 20 tabs, each one a reminder of something you meant to finish. In role 3 of The Wolf is at the Door, I call this the attention recession. Your focus isn't gone, it's just been spread across so many surfaces, there's nothing left for the work that matters. With Perplexity Computer running inside Comet, its AI browser, you can ask it to scan your browsing history and recent AI sessions, group everything into projects, and show you where agents could take over. It hands you a clear summary of what you've been working on, plus an automation plan to help take things off your plate. You're going to need this prompt for the best results. Screenshot it or grab it from below. Now, reducing your workload is great, but it only matters if it shows up in your bank account, right? This week, I launched a new landing page for The Wolf is at the Door, and instead of guessing if it would convert, I had Computer pull the latest conversion research and apply it to this page. Headline clarity, offer framing, social proof placement, form friction, mobile readability, load speed, the works. That's years of conversion rate optimization experience condensed down into minutes. To do this on your site, open your website, copy the URL, and run this compound prompt in Computer. This takes the guesswork out of boosting sales. Now, let's quiet the noise that keeps you from acting on what matters. With Comet and Computer, this prompt is going to split your emails into 3 key categories: money, growth, and clutter. Then bulk unsubscribe from deadweight senders, draft quick replies, and surface only the threads that move the needle forward. Now that your day is organized, let's multiply your output. Feed Computer one long form video or blog post, and it'll break it into a full week of platform native content. LinkedIn post, X thread, Instagram caption, email newsletter drafts, and a short form script, all in your brand voice. 1 input, 7 outputs. You're going to need this prompt to set it up. But here's where it gets even better. Let's get your most important numbers in your business all in one place. Set Computer to run every Monday morning, pull your revenue, email list growth, website traffic, and social stats, then get it to compile a 1-page briefing. What's up, what's down, what needs attention this week? There's no more logging into 6 platforms to figure out how your business is doing. You'll need this prompt to set it up. It's going to spin up the right AI agents to make those web connections without needing complex automations. Okay, let's zoom out to the bigger picture. This is where Computer starts to feel more like a strategist. Instead of guessing why your brand isn't reaching the people it should, ask it to scan your YouTube, website, and social accounts. Search the web for your name, identify your top competitors, and compare your content and messaging. The result you're going to get is going to be completely different from just using one AI model, because Computer is going to leverage the effectiveness of 19 to get the best data. It's also going to give you a brutally honest breakdown and the missing messages in your content you didn't know was missing. Screenshot this prompt or grab it from below. I tested this on my own brand and it gave me the best marketing plan I have seen in 20 years. No 10K consultant required. And here's what I'll say about the cost. It is $200 a month. It's not cheap for most people. But the real question isn't whether you can afford the tool. It's whether you can keep affording to be the bottleneck in your own business. A tool like this doesn't just give you more information, it gives you your focus back. So use these 7 systems to build your edge before everyone else catches on. And if you're ready to go from AI rookie to future maker, hit follow to run with the wolf pack.